Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best solar panels that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Renogy 200 watt is an excellent option for those seeking a portable and efficient solar power solution for off-grid adventures or emergency backup. Weighing only 17.6 pounds, this solar panel is lightweight and easy to carry, with a foldable design for compact storage in your car or RV. It features high power efficiency with a conversion rate of up to 23.5%, allowing it to capture more sunlight and generate more electricity, making it ideal for charging devices quickly. The panel includes multiple output ports, such as USB-A and DC ports, enabling the charging of various devices like smartphones, laptops, tablets, and portable power stations. Its durable construction includes a weatherproof ETFE coating and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame, ensuring it can withstand various weather conditions. Additionally, the panel has an IP65 rating, meaning it is dust-tight and protected from water jets, though it should not be fully submerged or exposed to heavy rain for prolonged periods. Adjustable kickstands allow users to angle the panel towards the sun for optimal power generation. The panel is easy to set up. Simply unfold it, adjust the kickstands, and connect it to your devices using the included cables. This makes it user-friendly and convenient for outdoor use. Overall, the Renogy 200 watt is a versatile and efficient solar power solution, perfect for camping, fishing, gardening, and other outdoor activities. It offers a reliable and durable option for generating solar power on the go, making it well suited for a variety of off-grid applications. The Jackery SolarSaga 100 watt is a high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panel tailored for outdoor adventures and emergency power outages. Featuring a high conversion efficiency of up to 23%, this panel excels in generating substantial energy even under optimal sunny conditions. Weighing just 4.1 kilograms and designed to be foldable, it is exceptionally portable and easy to transport. It includes a TPE rubber handle and adjustable kickstands, allowing users to set up quickly and position the panel for maximum sunlight exposure. Equipped with multiple USB outputs, the SolarSaga 100 watt includes a USB-A and a USB-C port, enabling simultaneous charging of various devices such as smartphones, tablets, and cameras. The durable ETFE material construction extends the panel's lifespan and enhances light transmittance. The IP65 water-resistant rating protects the panel from water splashes, though it should not be fully submerged or exposed to heavy rain. This solar panel is compatible with Jackery power stations, such as the Explorer 250, 300, 500, 1000, and 1500, creating a robust and portable solar power system. Its easy setup process, facilitated by 2 kickstands, allows users to harness solar energy within seconds. Ideal for camping, off-grid trips, and emergency preparedness, the Jackery SolarSaga 100 watt offers a reliable and efficient solution for maintaining power in various situations. Its combination of high efficiency, portability, and durability makes it an excellent choice for anyone needing dependable off-grid solar power. The TopSolar 100 watt is an efficient and convenient solution for charging devices with solar power, ideal for outdoor adventures or emergencies. This solar panel charger kit is designed to be highly portable, folding into a compact and lightweight form that fits easily in a backpack or car. When unfolded, it provides a large surface area to capture maximum sunlight. Featuring high conversion efficiency, the panel employs monocrystalline solar cells, renowned for their ability to convert sunlight into electricity efficiently, allowing more power generation from a smaller panel. It includes multiple output options, such as 2 USB ports, a USB-C port, and a 19-volt DC output, enabling the charging of various devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and portable power stations. The built-in smart charging technology incorporates a smart IC chip that detects the connected device and optimizes the charging speed while protecting against overcharging and overloading. This ensures safe and efficient charging for all devices. The panel is laminated with durable ETFE material, making it weatherproof and scratch-resistant, enhancing its durability for outdoor use. Integrated kickstands allow users to position the panel for optimal sun exposure, further maximizing power generation. Overall, the TopSolar 100W is an excellent option for those seeking a reliable, portable, and versatile way to harness solar power for charging a variety of devices, making it suitable for both outdoor activities and emergencies. The Dokio 300W is an excellent solution for off-grid power needs, offering portability, efficiency, and versatility for various applications such as camping, RVs, and emergency power. This high-efficiency solar panel is constructed with monocrystalline silicon cells, known for their superior energy conversion rates, providing a robust 300-watt power output. Weighing just 7.5 kilograms, the panel is lightweight and compact, enhancing its portability. It features a foldable design that allows it to be easily stored in a fabric pocket, making it convenient to carry and set up wherever needed. The included solar controller has 2 USB outputs, enabling direct charging of smartphones and other devices, making it a practical choice for modern needs. The solar panel is built for durability with weatherproof features that can withstand various conditions, including rain, snow, and wind. This makes it suitable for a wide range of uses, including charging 12-volt batteries, power stations, and other portable devices, whether you're on a boat, motorcycle, or in a car. The solar kit also includes a basic PWM-type 12-volt solar charger, with the option to upgrade to an MPPT controller for more efficient charging. Overall, the Dokio 300W combines high efficiency, portability, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for campers, boaters, and anyone requiring a reliable source of off-grid solar power. Its user-friendly design and robust construction ensure it meets diverse power needs effectively. The eco-worthy 400W is a robust and efficient solar energy solution designed for diverse applications. It includes two 195-watt bifacial solar panels, collectively generating 400 of power. These panels are constructed from high-quality monocrystalline silicon and feature MC4 connectors for efficient and reliable connections. Key features of this kit include its ability to recharge a 1920 watt-hours portable power station in about 4.8 hours, making it highly practical for off-grid power needs. The panels are also compatible with 12-volt batteries, offering flexibility in power storage and usage. One of the standout aspects of the eco-worthy 400W is its bifacial design, which allows the panels to absorb sunlight from both sides, thereby enhancing their overall efficiency. This design is complemented by a durable aluminum frame construction that ensures long-term durability while keeping the panels lightweight at just 27.5 pounds each. This makes the kit easy to handle and install, even for those with minimal technical expertise. The solar panel is versatile, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, including home backup power, camping, boats, sheds, farms, and RVs. It is user-friendly and designed for straightforward installation, making renewable energy more accessible. Overall, the eco-worthy 400W is a reliable and cost-effective choice for anyone looking to generate solar power efficiently and sustainably. Its combination of high efficiency, durability, and ease of use makes it a standout option in the market.